Hello, Namaskar. First match is taking place at Association ground. So it is a three-match one-day series, and where England and India will be locking horns from today. So if you look at on this pitch, the average score has been about close to 300, 290 something, and the record of chasing in this ground is like 50% matches have been chased while batting second. So it's a 50-50 kind of situation. Whoever wins the toss will have 50% chances of winning as well. And the second chasing team will also have the same amount of chances. Let's look at if you have not submitted my subscribe my channel, please do subscribe the channel Arena Astronautics, so that you get the notifications on time. And also, if you like the video and the predictions, kindly put the like button also, and notification button also you can press. So let's look at who is going to win the toss today. So for that, we'll have to look at the starts of both the teams. So let's go to first of all, let's look at not India's, England's chart. So England's chart, if you look at, is of a Kumbh Rashi, and the placement of Moon is today in the Gemini sign. So it is in their fifth house, which is fine, which is okay, which is good. So if you look at Virat Kohli chart. So Virat Kohli chart will have Moon placed in the seventh house. This is really good. It's much better than seventh house Moon is very nice. If you look at their captain Morgan's chart, Morgan will have the Moon placed in the eighth house, which is not so good. Okay, so this is how, if you look at Sports Kundli of India, so that Moon's placement will be in the 10th house. This is also quite good. All right, so this means that the toss today, the toss might go to India to positive. E. Morgan's luck slide Moon in the eighth house doesn't provide that kind of a luck. So I think today it may go to India, the toss finally, because in the previous T20 series, India was not winning as many tosses as possible, but that was blessing in disguise. If India was, I think, England would have scored a similar kind of a score, in the first inning, and then India would have found it quite difficult. So it was a blessing in disguise. Not only this one, but also in Test matches where in India lost both the toss matches in Gujarat, Ahmedabad Stadium, Narendra Modi Stadium. So that was also a blessing in disguise, because whoever batted first in Test matches also lost the match. And if India would have won the toss, we would have batted first. So that was a blessing in disguise coming in for us. So in this one, I think India is going to win the toss. Let's look at players' luck, how players are going to do once India uh, uh, wins the toss, and probably more chances of India winning the toss today. So let's look at how the team are going to perform today. It is a little hanging here because in the live session, this is what happens. So let's look at if India puts England into batting first. So if England's bat first, so their star is also positive. England's star is good. Uh, E. Morgan's luck is looking a little mixed today. Joe Butler is also mixed. David Malan luck is looking positive. Jason Roy is mixed. Samuel Billings' luck is mixed, but positively mixed. Ben Stokes' luck is mixed, positively mixed. Sam Curran luck is positive. Moeen Ali's luck is mixed. Chris Jordan is mixed. Tom Curran is positive, and Rashid Ali, Adil Rashid's luck is also positive. So if you look at, they have about six players. Luck is looking positive today, and so if they bat first, so what is the kind of score? I think they can score around, let's say, anywhere between 280 to 300 and 280 plus if you put 40 plus there. So around 320 on a higher side, and on a lower side around 280 plus minus 30 40 runs you can do that. So that is the kind of score I'm expecting. If England bat first, if India goes to the batting first, this thing, so our luck is extremely positive today. Rohit Sharma's luck is slightly mixed but on a positive side. KL Rahul luck is positive. Virat Kohli's luck is mixed but on a positive side. Shreyas Iyer luck is mixed. Rishabh Pant luck is quite positive today. Hardik Pandya's is slightly mixed but on a positive side. Kunal Pandya's luck looks mixed. Shardul Thakur luck is positive. Bhuvneshwar Kumar luck is quite positive. Chahal's luck is also quite positive, and T. Natarajan luck is mixed. If this is the team, then this is how their luck is looking. So if you look at positive one is the one that where luck is kind of neutral, where you have, but where you have green ones, then that means slightly better. This thing it indicates mixed one, which is white mixed one indicates. Uh, Kind of a hard work, and luck may not support much. So that is how it is for the both the teams. If anyone from the benches comes, so from the benches, if you look at from England side, if uh, Topley comes in, his luck is positive. If Livingstone comes in, his luck is positive. Johnny Bristow's luck is mixed, and Mark Wood luck is mixed. So I've taken about four bench people. If they come in, then their luck looks like this. If anyone from India's benches comes in, so India's bench, I have taken Shikhar Dhawan. His luck is mixed, positively mixed. If you look at Surya Kumar Yadav, if he gets a chance, his luck is mixed. Hard work, not luck, is not much supporting. Kuldeep Yadav is also mixed. Subham Gill, if he gets a chance to come there, so his luck is positive. So this is how, if anyone from the benches comes in, this is how their luck looks like. To win finally if India bats first. So India has quite a good luck seems today. So we can 300 plus is what we can score on this ground, I believe, plus minus 30 runs. So for India, I give 300 kind of a this thing. For England, I give around 290 runs or 80 runs, and plus minus 30 runs is what you can do there. For India, 300 plus minus 30 runs is what I'm saying. And finally, I believe India's luck is looking quite good. So we have winning chances more than England today. So I think India can, at least in this series for the first time, win. Seems like indications are there that India can win this one, this match. But you never know how players and which players go, do fantastic performance and change the course of the match. But I am going with India with better chances than in terms of percentage wise. I think India has about 60% chances, and India's and England's luck chances will be about 40%. If you divide from 100% as to how this is going to be like. So I think India has more chances today. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Please do subscribe the channel and press the like button.